Everybody, today we are going to learn about the Numpy Arange function. The Numpy Arange function creates a Numpy array with evenly spread numbers within a certain interval. Now let's quickly dive into an example. We create a Numpy array with the Numpy Arange function and the stop value 10. So if we only have one parameter in the Arange function, this parameter is interpreted as the stop parameter. The stop parameter is the upper end of the interval excluded, so it is not basically within the interval itself. So you can see we count from 0 to 9. So if we have Numpy Arange 10, we have 10 values up to the parameter, up to the index 10, but 10 excluded. Okay, now the second parameter call is if we want to specify a lower bound of the interval. So say we want to start count from the value 2 up to the value 10 excluded. The start value is always included, the stop value is always excluded in the interval. Okay, so now we can see here the array goes from the value 2 to value 9. Okay, then what if we want to print only every second element of the this sequence? Then we simply do the same, but we specify a third step size parameter. For example, here 2, which prints only every second element. Okay, so here we can see 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the values that are included in the new Numpy array. Okay, and similarly, if we want to print only every third element, then we do it like this: 2, 5, 8, and that's it. Okay, now there's one more parameter that we can add. This is the data type. So suppose we want to have a resulting Numpy array of float values. Then we would specify here the Numpy float data type with, for example, 32 bits or 4 bytes. And as we can see now, here the small dot after the number indicates that we have float values indeed. And here also the second parameter of the Numpy array defines that the elements in this Numpy array are of data type float with 32 bits. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you learned something out of the video. Please comment your questions below and also propose new videos that may be helpful for your future coding life. If you want to dive deeper into Python, then make sure to check out our web application Kickstart.com, where you can solve rated Python puzzles to improve your code understanding skills. And also have a look at our new programming book, Coffee Break Python. Okay, thanks again for listening and have a nice day.